Hey boo, welcome back to Journey with Joy. And I just put in these mini twists. I'm doing it for my hair growth challenge. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the DIY Ayurvedic oil. I was making that oil simply so that I would be able to put my hair into a protective style and then oil it every single day and be able to reap the benefits from the oil. So this is a style that I'm going to use at least for the month of January. I don't know if it'll last longer than January. So I'm going to keep my hair like this every day, use the oil on my scalp every day, and then just see where it takes me, see how long my hair grows, and I'll keep y'all updated. Okay, well, if you want to see how I got to this end result, keep watching. I kept the braids in for about a month and a half before I finally decided to take them out. I did continue to oil my scalp either every day or every other day, but it started to cause pimples and sores all over my head, which just was not good at all because it was sort of doing the opposite of what I wanted to do, which was create a healthy environment for my hair to grow. It was clogging my pores way too much. But I'm not really sure if my edges grew. I did sort of see like about an inch of growth all around my head. There was a lot of product buildup though because I wasn't able to strain the oil completely. I do suggest getting a cheesecloth so that when you strain the oil, it will be completely strained and there won't be any powders. But as you can see right here, some of the hairs at the roots started to mesh. It was a lot worse than this. I had spent some time sort of like taking them apart, and that is the main reason why I decided to just go ahead and take out the braids and stop oiling my scalp because it was just getting way too bad.